Basic rules of composition building. Number 1. Hierarchy. This is a fundamental principle in the construction of a composition, which determines how information is perceived by the user. By using a hierarchy, we can focus the user's attention on the most significant elements of the design. Number 2. Contrast. Contrast helps to draw attention to and focus the viewer's eyes on the elements that we want them to see. We can use contrast in terms of color, shape, size, and movement. Number 3. Balance. The balanced composition is aesthetically pleasing and does not create a feeling of clutter. Balance can be symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial. Number 4. Indents. The indents creates a feeling of space and air, making the composition easier to read and more visually appealing. Number 5. Alignment. Alignment is used to create a well-structured and organized composition. Proper alignment helps the viewer to easily perceive information and makes the overall composition look more professional. Number 6. Background. A well-chosen background helps to emphasize the main elements of a composition, adds depth, and creates a mood. A poorly chosen background, on the other hand, can distract from the main elements and create a sense of dissonance.